Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So, we are playing Subway Surfer now. Let's go and play. So, let's jump, jump, and jump. Then right, and then let's go up. Oh wow, there's a star. But I missed it. My bad. That's okay. Oh, I got the box. Yay. Okay. Let's jump now. That was a small thing. Uh-oh. Jump. Up. We got hurt. Come on then, let's go. Go. Jump. Oh. Ooh. I want to get all the coins. I don't want to miss one coin even. That's good. Oh my god, my bad. I mistakenly missed one coin that time. That's okay. It was just one coin, not a lot of it. So, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm missing a lot of coins. A lot of it. Now we are at full speed. Come on, let's go. This is the full speed. This is a lot faster than anything. Oh my god, let's jump. Oh, not bad. Just jump again. Oh. I was gonna be out in 1 minute. No, 1 second. Okay, but that's okay. Let's go. Oh, go. Jump. Okay, now let's go. Jump. Oh, there's a magnet. I need to get it. Oh no. Guys, I need to tell you something. If you're suddenly doing something, suddenly like if you're going to lose, like if you're in front of anything, so you can double tap or just it will act only one time. It will only come one time in the whole game. So you can do that if mistakenly you cannot like software that fast, so you can do it. I'm just telling you. I don't know if you want to do. So now let's run. Okay, we have the magnet. We got so many. Oh my god, we got these many. I didn't even notice. We got a lot of it. I got 693. No, 4, 5. A lot of them. Just leave. Come on. Oh, jump. Oh, star. Like, I mean it. Sorry. Not one time. I think you can do anytime, but not that many times. It will not come every time. Don't think I was lying. Please don't think I was lying. But it will come. I don't know how many times, but it will come. If it wants, it can come. That's okay. Oh yeah. Oh, jump. Okay, let's go fast. Oh, jumping jacks. Why didn't I take it? Oh, jump. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and please comment which game should I play next. I hope you comment.